This is Brad. If you're using a Chromebook and you notice the options for the MSD Secure Print do not exist or they're not there, here's what you can do. You want to go into a tab, type in Mobility Print Extension, select this extension right here. When you do that, it's going to look like this. Select Add to Chrome. When you do that, add extension. You'll see it download. I'll say download complete. And then you'll see this. It'll say, welcome to PaperCut Mobility Print. We're going to go ahead and close out. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back. I'm going to cancel this. I'm going to refresh just to show you that MSD Secure Print will now come up. So let's go Control P to print. You'll see Save as PDF come up first. Make sure you go down to See More. Scroll down. And sure enough, here it is. Select it, and then you can go ahead and print. And then the next time you go in, it will then remember that you wanted MSD Secure Print, and it will come up like that. So if you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. I hope